Hi guys, hi girls, I'm Giuseppe and today I go to change my look. You know, I have not hairs in all head, how you can see, because I have alopecia areata universal. But today I go to try a partial hair system, because I would see if it's possible make a style so with the hair system. Why I want to try this style? Because with a total hair system is very problematic inside and back when you sleep. So with this style I could use it in all my life with no problem inside and back. But we must see if it's possible. It would be also a good option to all people that have difficult to match hair color. Because shaving side and back you can use all colors that you want in your partial system. So this is a trade. We go to see if it's possible make a partial system with totally shaved sides and back. So we go to see. Stay here. At the final you will see my change and you can see if it's a good change or a bad change. But now we go to change.